just a really quick intro now to Kosli's environment policies, which are going to become the standard way of managing compliance for your environments within Kosli going forward. Over here on the left tab, we have our policies list, and here are all the policies that have been created for this organization. Now, policy management is done via our CLI command using the Kosli create policy command. This allows you to create policies and update policies as you move forwards. Policies are simple YAML documents that specify how the artifacts in a snapshot should be evaluated for compliance. So here we can see how we go about ensuring that we have trail compliance so that the build process has been followed correctly. We can also ensure that an artifact has binary provenance so that we've had an attestation of the build of that artifact in our build process. And we can also do some more complicated things. For example, ensure that an artifact that was built on a microservice flow has a pull request attestation. No matter what else is on the trail or what that pull request is called, we'll always check that's there. You can find out much more information about how environment policies work through the documentation, how we create a policy, more detail about the syntax, the different rules, exceptions, and so on, detailed in the policy. Now, if we now look at a environment that has policies applied to it, we can take a look at what changes here. So here we can see the latest snapshot, and we can see that there are 4 policies applied here, all of which are compliant. If I look at the running artifacts, I can choose one of these artifacts and I can go down and I can see the policies here that have been applied and what the evaluation of those policies is. So here we can see that pull request policy, and we can see that it was satisfied by this trail for the dashboard CI build process. I can follow that link and I can go ahead and I can see there is that pull request attestation and look into all of the details for it. Thanks for listening. I hope that helps introduce environment policies.